Welcome to a beginner's guide to SolidWorks exercise 2, where I will be showing you how to create this part step by step. So the strategy for building this part is to begin by creating all the extrude boss features. That is the base and the small square on top of the left corner. Once these extruded bosses are completed, we can begin by using the feature extrude cuts, which is the hexagon that is in the center of the base. Then we can use the hole wizard feature to make a special kind of hole on top of the square surface. And since the left side is identical to the left side, we can use the mirror entities feature. Once these features are created, we can apply the material, which will help us find the mass of the part. Under the description, you can download the 3D model as well as the PDF of the sketch with the dimensions to build this part. Alright, now let's get straight into this lesson. Alright, we can start first by going to File, New, Part, then click OK. Let's take a look at the part. Alright, the dimensions are in inches. Let's make sure our dimensions are in inches as well. Yeah, it's in inches. Okay, so first we're gonna build this base here. So we could start by creating this part from the top plane. Okay, sketch, and we will use the center rectangle. Since our hexagon is gonna be in the center, that will help us make this piece faster. Okay, click OK. Dimensions. The dimensions of this is 10 by 10. Okay. 10 by 10. Then we go to features, extrude base, and we extrude it by 0.375. Okay, 0.375. Click enter, then OK. Alright, the next step is to create this square on top of this corner. It's a 4x4, and we got a radius right here of 2. Okay, let's do that. We click on the surface of the base. We could create a sketch on top of it. Alright, then we could use a corner rectangle. Get this corner like that. Click OK. Dimensions is 4x4. Enter. Enter. Click OK. We got a radius here of, let's see, of 2. So we could grab the sketch fillet, put the radius here of 2, enter. Then we could click on the corner here, and that will give us that radius of 2. Okay. Click OK. Then we go to features, extrude boss. Let's see how much we gotta extrude this. 2.5. Alright, 2.5. Okay. Okay. And the next step is to create the extrude. We're gonna make this hexagon in the center of the base. Okay, so click on the base, sketch, and the hexagon is right here, polygon. we got a 6, and inscribe the circle. Yeah, the circle is inside the hexagon, so it's inscribe. Okay. All right, and we click OK. We dimension the circle here. It's 3. Enter. All right. And now we gotta add a relation to make the top here and this part here. We want them to be horizontal. So what you would do, you'll click on CTRL and you'll click on this top line here and the bottom line here to add a relation. And then we have all these relations right here: horizontal, vertical, collinear, perpendicular, parallel, equal, or fixed. We want these two lines to be horizontal to each other, and then bam, we got a fully defined polygon. And we go to features, extrude cut, we go through all and click OK. And then that's how we get our polygon in the center. The next step is to add this whole wizard here, right? So let's do that. It says it's tab hole, use define settings, and it looks something like this. All right, let's do that. So you go to features, there's whole wizard, click on whole wizard. So the whole type looks familiar to this one right here. Straight tap. Okay, it's a tapped hole. And show custom sizes, no. Restore to default. Okay. And the size is 1/2 by 20. Okay, let's look for that size. Okay, there you go. Okay. And since they don't give us the dimensions where to put it on the top square right here, we can assume that it's concentric to the radius of this fillet. So what we will do, we go to position, we click on where we want it, like for example this surface, and we want the center, we want the concentric of this fillet, so we have to touch it, and then we get it right here. You just click on it and you go OK. Okay, and we could see that we did that. Okay, so now we can check the left side and click on hidden lines visible, and as you can see, this looks exactly like our picture over here. Okay, so the next step is since we see that the left side is identical to the right side, we can use mirror entities. So we go back to our SolidWorks, put this in isometric view, put it back to shade it with edges. Okay, so now we go to mirror. We want the mirror face or plane. Let's see which one would be our best choice. The right plane. And for features and mirror, we want the tap hole and the boss feature extrude to. We click OK. Alright. And we're done with our part. Now let's add the material. The material is pure gold. So under material, you right click and click on edit material and search. You can search pure gold. Alright. Apply it. Close it. And we can go to evaluate to check how much this thing weighs. Okay, so we got the answer in pounds, but we want it in grams. So you can go to options, use custom settings. You go to pounds to grams and you click OK. Alright, so this is our answer. Our answer is 34,207 grams. That's how much this piece weighs. We have reached the end of this exercise. If you feel like this video has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe, as I will be posting every week. Have a good day.